Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to change avatar in World of Tanks Blitz game. Whether you are new to the game or just want a fresh look for your profile, then this guide is beginner friendly and updated. First of all, open up the World of Tanks Blitz on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the lobby screen, go to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your current profile picture or the banner, and then underneath the profile picture you will see Change Avatar button. Tap on it on the next page. Here you will be able to see a list of avatars you can choose from. Browse through the list of available avatars. Some avatars are unlocked by achievements, events, or premium features. If you have a new one unlocked, simply tap on it and then click on Install on the right hand side to select the new avatar. Now if you go back, you will notice that you have successfully changed your avatar in a simple way, just like that. Changing your avatar is a simple way to express your personality in the game. It also helps your friends and teammates recognize you more easily in battles. So that is how it's super easily done. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials like this. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.